Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make coriander cucumber salad with a zesty lemon dressing. For our salad, we're going to use generous amount of cucumber, onion, garlic, little jalapenos chopped really fine. Then these are sweet peppers and of course cilantro, lime, lemon here, and olive oil for dressing. So to begin with our cucumber salad, I'm going to add some salt to this cucumbers. I'm going to add my peppers. I'm going to add my onion, not too much onion, and then put some nice black pepper on it, and then mix it. Then we are going to proceed to make our dressing. Okay, so for our coriander dressing, I'm going to take generous amount of coriander, and then amount of, this is chopped pepper, and all this amount of garlic into this, and one lemon. This is juice of one lemon. Gotta put it inside here. There you are. And put generous amount of olive oil. There you are. And just whisk it nicely. Okay, so now we whisked our dressing really well, and we've already added salt and pepper here in this. This is what you're going to pour in our cucumber, with our cucumber, and then mix it well. Okay, so now added all my dressing into this nice cucumbers and peppers and onion. Now what you got to do is let it sit in the fridge for half an hour so all the flavors envelop into the cucumbers, and then you can eat it. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel, and follow us on our blog, the topperchef.com blog. Happy cooking!